Ivy Nations, legends, fallen knights, our hometown buddies, thank you so much for sharing the stage and the visitors. This has been an amazing night. It's just all about the music, guys. Choice, you know, you are my fantasy. The memory of the time that I wanna be your fantasy. You know I can be sexy, but I wanna be. When introductions open up, introduce me with that. Tossing out the release of chronic relic disease.